Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about Sports Event Management System. Abstract: Sports and event management prepares to plan, manage and sustain effective sports and recreation experience in private, public and commercial settings. This project is about sports event management system for students. Conduction of events previously was done at high level. However, as time proceeds further, everyone can arrange events as per their stipulation. Today, multiple different events exist, succeeded by day, and to schedule it in a trouble-free way, as we have contrived an sports event management system. Previously, it was tough to manage events as it was a challenging task to arrange all teammates, events, etc. And sports event management's website carries out a complexity of conducting sports event in online based mode, and us to fix the event frequently and to get the attendant accurate information about the event. The sports event management system program focuses on area that include sports facility and event management, recreation and inter college athletes. With the framework, the students build the foundation in philosophy of sports event and learn the fundamentals of business administration and sharpen their interpersonal skills. This is our project flow diagram. We have two modules in our process. One is admin and another one is a user. We have a credential for both user. First, we are going to check the activities of an admin. Admin is a person who can add event, edit the event and schedule the event, and then admin can able to generate the result and the report generation for that performances of student. And then we are going to see the activity of students. As after logging into the pager, they can able to see their dashboard and register for the event, and then they can able to view the result. Now we are going to see our project output. This is our home page. First, I'm going to log in with admin's username and password. This is administrator login page. Admin's username is a test, password is also test. This is admin dashboard, where admin can add the new events, edit that event and schedule the event, and result generation for that event, and at last a report generation. First, I'm going to add a new event. I'm going to add a cricket event. The description, I'm going to give T20 match. Event added successfully. And then I'm going to, if I want to edit that event, I can edit that event, and then scheduling the match. These are all the teams which I have already registered. And I have scheduled the event. Next, I'm going to log in as user. This is a user page. A user can able to view the events which are added by the admin. I'm going to register. Event cricket I have added. Now I'm going to team name. If I want to add a new team, I can able to add a team. Player name also we can add. I have submitted and registered a team. These are all the result page where we can check the result. This is a result generation page. In this page we can generate a result between the two teams, and this is a report page where we can check all event winner and runner list. Thank you.